Hey guys, how's it going? James here from Audio.etc. So I asked you guys, you voted, you said you wanted to see the PLC2 install. So here I am, gonna do it. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. So, in case you didn't see in my last video and you're new here, I've got this Rockford Fosgate PLC2 punch level control remote thing, which basically controls the subwoofer output of my Rockford Fosgate 5-channel amp that I have in the boot. And I'm going to flush mount that on this blank panel here. This is my handbrake. This is normally where a couple of seat heater switches go, but I don't have those, so they're just blanks. So I plan on flush mounting it into this point here. So if you give me 5 minutes just to get this panel off, and on the bench it'll be much easier to do it out there than in here, and then we'll look at doing it there. These panels are super easy to get off. You really don't need any tools. First thing I'm going to do is take that little cover out, and for these legacies you really do need quite a long screwdriver to activate the manual gear shift thing. There we go, put it there. Pop this little silver cover at the bottom of the bottom of the gear shifter down, and then very carefully there is a split pin that goes along the front of it. You want to hold it as you remove it because you don't want to ping it and lose it. There we go, that little boy, if you lose that you're seriously screwed. And then you just pull up on the gear shifter, it comes up and out, and be careful because there'll be grease on the bottom of it. I don't know why I'm making this video tutorial style. I guess if you're ever taking this panel off, I'm just giving you some advice as to how to do it. Set that down over there, a little silver. In fact, I'm going to put these bits up here. And now you do have to want to be careful lifting this up because this whole, oh wait, does the silver piece come off? I can't remember. All I know is you want to be careful because it's quite thin plastic all the way around here, so it could potentially be easy to snap. Start from the side, lift up, there we go. There we go. Unplug the lights and unplug the handbrake. Now that I've got this out, I like to put the gear shifter knob back in there just since it's greasy and I don't want it touching on anything. Close it up. Lay down a towel because I don't want to scratch it. This is quite annoying. You do have to take some of the extra pieces off you wouldn't normally. And sometimes I might be able to just get under there. Might also take the handbrake off here just to make it a bit easier to work with. Cool, so now I've just got this panel to work with. So I'm going to be doing, by the looks of it, this one here, which has the smaller little panel rather than the larger one. This little doodacky, because that's going to go just there. Because I'm pretty sure that one will be way too big. Well, can I get away with that? I don't know, big or small? Like, because I like the way small fits in those grooves, but big. Need to undo this nut now. I think I'm going to go for the small one. It just looks a lot better than having this large one, which is just oversized for the space. The large one would be alright if these grooves weren't here. Does this fit in here? Oh yeah, there's heaps of room in there, that's no worries. So what I need to do is mark a couple holes. There we go. Okay, now I need to tighten that up. There we go, I think I got it mounted. Got the LED, you may not be able to see it, but the LED is just sticking through a wee bit there, not all the way through, but pretty much in there. Now the knob should just, if I turn this all the way down, it should just shove on there, like that, and then boom. That'll work. I think that looks pretty decent. It'd be cool if there's another one over here, but oh well. What would I do with it? It'd be cool if I had like a master volume one over here, but I need like a PLC2, not a PLC, I need like a Rockford Fosgate 360.3 or something for that, and that wouldn't even mount like this. Okay, so I think now I can put it all back together. So let me just clear this. Okay, so I need to get the PLC2 wire from under here somewhere. There we go. Put this back on. Now, okay. Take that back out. So now, plug in our lights, our handbrake, and our PLC2. Which goes that way. There we go. Pick that up. Press this down. That in first. Sweet. Now, gotta put this piece on first, and then this just slots in. Then our split pin. This is a hard, kind of hard part. There we go. doesn't come off. Push that back up like that. And there we go. Done. Let's see what it feels like from the driver's position. Alrighty, so I even like the way it looks as well, because we got black on silver, which is pretty much what everything in this car is. Oh, I like that. I can just rest my arm here and adjust that. That feels real nice. Maximum, minimum. That's cool. I love it. Feels good too. And a little, you can see through there the little LED that's going to glow red and blue depending on whether the system is clipping or not. In fact, if I turn the key on, look at that. Oh, that's cool. So it's blue the whole time, and then when it clips it goes red. I like it. Oh my god. Fuck yes. That's super clean. That looks awesome. I'm way more stoked about that than I thought I was going to be. The LED just makes it seem alive, not just like, oh, here's a bass knob. That looks fully professional. And you notice that red one it did when it started up? See, watch, turn it off. There we go. So watch, it turns red first. Red, blue. So the reason it does that is because these amplifiers go through like a system check before they power up. So that's basically, when it does that red flash, it's basically doing the protection circuit check, and then once that's all good, it goes to blue. That's awesome. I'm super happy with that. It's a nice quick wee job for this morning. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you like the way it looks. If you did, give the video a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Choose to be happy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ka kite anō.